In this video, we will demonstrate the typing modes and how to navigate and select text with SuperNova. You can change how much information is spoken as you type by adjusting SuperNova's character echo settings. SuperNova can echo each character,
characters, H, E, L, L, O, space,
word,
words, my,
each character and word you type,
characters and words, N, A, M, E, namespace,
or say nothing at all. The mode you choose will depend on your typing skills and just how much information you can see on the screen as you type. To cycle through these modes, hold caps lock and then press the semicolon key. In Word, you can navigate a document in various ways. To move one character at a time, use the left and right arrow keys.
T, O, U, R.
Holding down the control key whilst using the left and right arrow keys will allow you to move one word at a time.
The capital 7 flows southwards.
You can move one full line at a time with the up and down arrows.
Upon emerging from the highlands which terminate about Bewdley and Stourport, the 7 flows southwards through an undulating plain to meet the Avon at Tewkesbury.
Or you can jump to the start of a line by pressing the home keys,
U,
or to the end of the line by pressing the end keys. If you need to move between paragraphs, hold down the left control button whilst using the up and down arrow keys.
Heading to growth of the town. Local consuls at Worcester, as elsewhere. Table name column 1 row 1.
To select text, hold shift whilst pressing the arrow keys. Holding down the control key whilst holding down the shift key will allow you to select entire words. If you select text, SuperNova will confirm this by saying selected followed by the selected item, such as a character, word or line.
Selected S, T, O, U.
If you continue selecting text, SuperNova will only say the item. This is to avoid needless repetition.
The 7 flows.
If you unselect an item, you will be told the item is unselected.
Flows not selected.
As you continue to unselect items, only the item is announced.
7 the.
To read out your selection, press numpad 1.
Stourport.